Just thought I'd make a quick review here of the new Quantum 310 Lumen headlamp from Harbor Freight. I put it on while I was cleaning the garage tonight, tried it on 2-3 hours, and initially it was quite uncomfortable, but after a while I did get used to it. Most of that for me is coming from the battery pack here on the back. It just has a really thin little rubber cover, and for me the issue was this center battery keeps popping out. It keeps popping out and stabbing me in the back of the head. It doesn't sit flat with the rest. It, for some reason, protrudes up above them. If you hear it, just snapped out there on its own. I'm sure that's just quality control, and not all of them will be like that. I'm sure a lot of them will, but as far as I can tell, that's the biggest issue with it. It did have some wear here on the elastic. This white spot here, that's obviously from the strap from me wearing it tonight, but there's some weird spots like this that were on there before I ever even put it on my head. So I don't know what that's about, but it was only $12.99. I just picked it up last week. That was on sale. And does it show the Nope. Doesn't show the normal price on here. But anyway, $12.99 on sale. So far I like it. It's got very good detents for the lamp. Nice and solid. It's not going to flop around. I had a crappy Walmart one for quite a while that was just junk and it flopped everywhere. You have your high beam, low beam, and strobe. I find the strobe pretty useless. I wish it was just high, low, off, but for what it is, it's you can't beat that for $12.99. It's very bright. It's a direct rip-off of the Coast model, which I've watched quite a few videos about. I was going to end up buying one of those, but I decided I'd give this one a shot. I was at Harbor Freight and I thought, well, for $12.99, why not give it a chance? So far I think it's probably worth it. It just happened to be the flyer they threw in my bag. I had the ad for the headlamp in it, and I have not tried this out. I hear they're pretty good too. It's the 310 Lumen headlamp, item 63921, and the Coast model that they ripped off was HL7. So anyway, for what it's worth, I think it's a good buy for $12.99. Time will tell. I guess if it ends up shelling out real quick, I'll make up a part 2 video and let you guys know. Thanks for watching. If you like this kind of thing, let me know. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and I can buy some more stuff and tell you what I think. Thanks.